We are at 4505 South Yosemite, number 139. We're in behind the hot water heater where we've got a 4-inch clean out we're going to use to take a look at this sewer. It's a big 4-inch pipe. We do have some hot water running somewhere, but so far the 4-inch cast looks pretty good. What sounds like it's trying to race away? Is the dry rod?
It's the laundry machine.
Oh, okay. Had me scared. I didn't realize they were on. I'm like, what is revving up? Got lots of cobwebs through here, which means that this has actually got really good slope. There's our exit through the foundation wall and out into the clay tile portion of the sewer. So far that looks fine. Once again, you still have the cobwebs hanging through here. That means you've got good slope. One little root coming in there, but it's not big enough to even worry about cleaning just yet. So far it's been pretty consistently decent. That transition was smooth. You need this door?
No, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's free. Cut off again. It's short cycling. I'm suspicious that it's short cycling. I thought maybe I didn't have the lower level switch. No, because it wouldn't come on at all then. Intermittent. But 2003, so it's within its normal
Dropping down.
useful life. But filter hadn't been changed for a while, but overall it may need to be checked just to get the blast not only clean, but make sure it's in proper operating mode.
All right.
So here, I'd turn that around a little bit and say,
Alright, we're hoping our home inspectors are done jabbering. So this is our tap. You notice as we came through these last two curves, we had a little bit of offset at each one. Now, those offsets are not a concern. What they are is deflection, and what that means is they turned this transition between these last two fittings more than the original fittings were really designed to turn. So the turn ended up being a few degrees. I'm trying to get that crap off the lens, but there's really not enough water in here for that. But it turns a few degrees sharper than the fittings were designed for, and what happens then is one side of the fitting butts up before the other side does, and it exposes more of the fitting than you would normally see. That does not cause a problem. The flow goes through just fine. Got a little bit of a negative offset here in that the lip is in the bottom, but you notice it's not losing water. That little puddle is just staying right there. If we saw that puddle drain out quickly, we'd be a little more concerned, but that is not tall enough to trap waste. So what we saw in this thing was mostly just a few little roots wanting to grow in, and that's about it. Otherwise, it's in pretty darn good shape. That water's nastier than what was already on the lens. We've already seen the rest of this sewer. We're going to actually go ahead and stop there because it's really not going to do us much good to have this on tape. So we'll stop right there.